What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. And in about 3 days, it's gonna be 420.
No, watch out!
It's my wrist calendar. In about 3 days, it's gonna be 420. So we're gonna make a nice special video for y'all today.
We're just gonna rummage through the fridge and come with any snack we can find. So crazy times we're living now. Back in the day, I used to skip class and just dabble in festivities a little bit. But now, weed's legal and school's closed. So yeah, let's make snacking. Let's make snacking.
What he meant to say was, let's make the ultimate snack munchy feast.
That's what I meant to say.
Let's get into it.
So we found baked Doritos, some Chiccaron, some tortillas. It just screams nachos, so that's what we're gonna do. Found some chicken breast. We're gonna get them marinated up Tinga style. Lime zest. Lime juice. Oregano. Chipotle and adobo sauce. We have a Salsa Criolla here where we roasted onions, garlic, tomatoes, ancho. What else, Jamal?
Chili dog bowl.
Yeah. We're gonna get that all up in there. We're gonna set this chicken off to the side and marinate for about 1 hour and then roast in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. We got a nice little washed russet potato here. We're gonna take it to our waffle cutter mandolin and get them fried up and blanched up. And not in that order, fried up and blanched up. Okay, cool. Never mind, I'm just... We're gonna soak these in lukewarm water for about 10 minutes, just to remove any starch. That way we get crispier fries. We're gonna blanch off our potatoes at 300 degrees for about 4 minutes until they're soft.
Got some fresh tortillas here. I'm gonna cut them into quarters and make us some nacho chips for our nacho smorgasbord of deliciousness. Or I'd like to call it the munchie box. Now I'm gonna drop the tortillas in the fryer. Give us some nice nachos. For our ultimate munchie feast, we're gonna make a little salsa criolla, which is basically like a charred onion, pico de gallo type vibes. So we're gonna start off by peeling an onion and charring it up in our cast iron pan. I'm gonna cut this onion into a few rings. Bring this over to my cast iron and sear them up. Little glug of canola. Got our pan nice and smoking hot. We're gonna throw in our onions. While our onions are grilling up, I'm gonna dice up 2 Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna add these tomatoes to a bowl.
Our onions just came off the skillet.
Now I'm gonna run my knife through the onions so they become nice and fine. Like Alex's ex-wife. I'm gonna add our chopped up onions to the bowl.
Might need a bigger bowl there, chef.
I got a red bell pepper here. I'm gonna give it a nice small dice. This bowl is too small, so I'm gonna put all the salsa in here.
Little switcheroo.
The old switcheroo. Time to give these 2 jalapenos a small dice. We got some fresh oregano here, about 1 sprig. I'm gonna chop that up fine, add it into the bowl. I hate cilantro in the bowl. Last vegetable is a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna give it a pop. Take it out the skin, and we're gonna dice it up fine. Add the garlic, pinch of salt, the juice of 2 limes. I got a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Add that in. Time to give the salsa a little mix. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful color. A little fresh cracked black pep. gonna try the salsa and a Dorito.
Yo, where's the Doritos at, bro?
Mmm, that's delicious. But you're really good with a Dorito, man.
It is. Mmm.
It's really good on the Dorito. Little seasoning.
Yo,
The ranch?
This is it right here.
Yeah.
Don't need to do anything else.
Yeah. We got a little Cool Ranch Doritos with some salsa.
Our chicken's roasted, it's rested, now we're gonna chop it. A little taste test. Perfecto. Alright,
Let's start building, boy.
start off with a couple of our tortillas.
Fresh tortillas.
It's all about the layers, bro. Some of our waffle cut potatoes. Chicharrones.
Crispy ones on top.
Some of that Cool Ranch.
These are really
We got
good.
some Monterey Jack. And a little bit of old cheddar. And mozzarella. A couple pieces of the pickled jalapeno from our sliders video. A little bit of a Salsa Criolla. Chicken Tinga. So there's just a little bit of a scallion throughout there too. Alright, time to take this over to the oven. We're gonna bake it at 400 degrees so she's ooey, gooey, scrumptially, dumply. Come on, Jamal.
Diddlyumptious, rambunctious. Wanna munch this?
Oh, wanna munch this? We gonna.
Woo! Last bit of ingredients here.
Let's put a little pico in there too.
Crushed up chicharron. Holy mix squeeze.
Just a couple
There you go, Chester.
dots of that Criolla again. Cilantro, scallion. Hello? 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 They always do this. Little
Bastard.
salsa. Oh man.
Did you say salsa?
Mmm.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Mm.
Mmm.
Look how big this shit is.
Wow.
Uh-oh. I dropped the jalapeno.
Alright guys. We gotta go scarf this down. We hope it turned out well. It's I think it did. This is heavy right now. This is heavy. The chicken super juicy, tender. That salsa, it's basically the fundamentals of everything you put on a nacho. Just marinated and elevated and just taking that next level, right? These potatoes, like I haven't got into there, but I got it now. I got
It was fantastic.
so crispy.
Here's our ultimate munchies for 420. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up and peace out.
See you guys.
Stop digging a hole in my garden.
It's been great for the video. He's so dirty.